Hello everyone. I am Rajat Prasad and I am CEO of Prashanti Forex. Today I am going to tell you about how to increase business profitability by 4%. In this telecast, you will learn how you can increase profitability in your export or import business by managing your currency risk and interest rate risk professionally and following best international practices. Now, first question is why you should choose us? Why you should choose Prashanti Forex? Prashanti Forex is managed by professionals. They are having a rich industry experience. All our experienced people are having more than 15 years of experience. We give customized solution to every client and we manage your financial needs from end to end. This is why you should choose Prashanti Forex. Now, the topic for today is how to increase the business profitability. Now, businesses having export and import, they are exposed to the risk of currency moving on a day-to-day basis. Exporters, they are having a risk that the rate can go down, and importers, they have a risk that it can go up. All big companies like Reliance, Tata, Wipro, Infosys, they hire professionals like treasury managers, CFOs, chartered accountants to manage their finances. They also use the best international systems and practices to improve their business profitability. But what is the problem with the small and mid-sized company? They cannot afford to hire a qualified professional because the cost is very high. Now the cost of hiring a certified treasury professional is 24 lakhs per annum. Cost of hiring a CFO, again 24 lakhs per annum. Cost of chartered accountant, 24 lakhs per annum. And cost of having a proper systematic risk management system which is internationally acceptable, it is 50 lakhs. So total cost is 1 crore 22 lakhs per year. Now all these small and mid-sized company, they cannot afford to bear so much of cost. So what is the solution? The solution is shared services. We at Prashanti Forex, we realized that everybody cannot afford to pay 1 crore 22 lakh rupees for managing their risk, for increasing their profitability. So we have formed a group. We are having a group of certified treasury professionals, CFOs, chartered accountants, and we created a shared service for all the financial needs of the exporters and importers. And our maximum limit, we cater to maximum 10 clients at a time. We do not take more than 10 clients because we cannot give you best of services if only if number of clients are more. So the total cost of hiring per year, if you hire a professional, the cost is 1 crore 20 lakhs. But if you use the shared services, it can reduce to 1/10 of what you are going to pay for hiring it. So the same service which is available at 1.2 crore, it is available at only 12 lakhs per annum. So you are reducing your cost by 1/10. Now, what is this model? Model is that you outsource your all financial problems to us. What we do, we create a customized solution for you. We create a customized risk management policy. This is according to your company's cash flow and your risk appetite. So your policy which you will follow will be different from the policy of somebody else. Then we benchmark the exposures and monitor the risk as per the risk policy. Then we also review the sanction limit and we reduce the cost of borrowing. Then whatever surplus funds you have, we will help you in investment and we enhance your yields and we provide end-to-end solution. So you only concentrate on your business, all your financial needs will be taken care by us. This means you will have more time, more energy to concentrate on your core business. So suppose you are a steel manufacturer, you will concentrate on improving your sales. You will concentrate on how to get cheap resources. You can concentrate on how to increase your sales. You can concentrate on getting more customers. So as an owner, you will have much more time in managing your business, while your finances will be managed by us. Now, how the business profitability will be increased by 4%? First is the currency risk. There is a risk that the currency may move against your exposure. So, if you are an exporter and the rate goes down, you are at risk. If you are an importer, the rate goes up, you are at a risk. And this risk is there till the transaction is completed. So, if you are exporting or importing, then you have an exchange rate risk, which can have a severe financial consequence. But if we manage it properly, if we use our resources, if we do proper risk management, we can improve the profitability of the business. We have time and again helped many customers improve their profitability by 4% to 5% by just following a proper risk management system, by reducing their finance cost, and by helping them in raising fresh loans. Now, why should we manage risk? First, we have to manage risk because the currency may move in any direction. It can move up and it can move down. So you should be protected against the currency movement. You have to improve your profitability. How? You need to protect your operating profits. So whenever you are exporting or importing, you are calculating the rates as per some rate. Let us say today it is 75. You have made calculation as per 75. For exporter, if 75 goes to 74, he is at loss. He This loss is from the profits which is expected to make from the business. Importer, he has cost is 75, but rupee goes to 76. So again, he loses 1 rupee on account of this movement. So what we do, we try to maximize the gains and we try to minimize the loss. We also try to reduce the cost of your finances by analyzing your sanction limits. Again, we help you to protect your business sustainability in light of a very stiff competition. In COVID, the competition is very stiff, so you have to be on your toes. Now, what is the framework? First, you have to identify. Next, you have to measure. Third, you have to manage. Fourth, you have to monitor. And fifth, there has to be some reporting. Now, if you yourself do everything, your entire day will be gone in this. So you will not have time for managing your business. And I have seen most of the entrepreneurs, most of the promoters, they do all this by themselves, or they allot it to some senior person in their company. But again, the senior person is doing not only risk management, but he is doing 10 other works. So his concentration is not on managing the risk properly. Here we have a team which is sitting here all the time in front of your screen, and we are managing it for many others. So likewise, we will manage it for you also. Now, how to identify? The risk management, this exercise starts with identification of risk. कि भाई मेरा रिस्क कहाँ पर हो रहा है, किधर हो रहा है. Every business has some risk, whether it is export or import, and आपको उसके लिए एक्शन लेना ही पड़ेगा. We have to be open to modify our risk strategies. The strategy which is working today may not work tomorrow because the condition has changed. Who have thought कि कोविड में पूरा बंद हो जाएगा, आप एक्सपोर्ट करने वाले थे, आपके पास ऑर्डर्स हैं, लेकिन आप एक्सपोर्ट नहीं कर पाए. Why? Because the entire globe got closed. So the risk strategy is different at different times with changing scenarios, with changing rules. Now you have to be very, very alert on all these rules. Now, how to identify? Risk can start at any time. For some companies, it can start at the stage of budgeting. For others, it can start at the stage of receipt or placing of order. For some people, it can start at the stage of shipment or invoicing. Or it can also start at the time of receipt of goods. So it is not सेम फॉर एवरी कंपनी, सबका अलग अलग टाइम पे रिस्क स्टार्ट होता है. सो योर पॉलिसी शुड नॉट बी सेम एज पर द पॉलिसी ऑफ समबडी एल्स. You have to have a specific policy as per your requirement. Now, first is identify. आपने identify कर लिया. Then you have to measure. मेजर की भाई मेरा अगर रुपया ऊपर जाएगा या रुपया नीचे जाएगा तो मेरे को कितना लॉस होगा. दिस इज डन बाय कैलकुलेटिंग द पोटेंशियल लॉस इन वेरियस सिनेरियोस if export or import is not properly hedged, not properly covered, and this helps you in deciding कि भाई मैं मिनिमम कितना बुक करूं या मैक्सिमम कितना बुक करूं. And this is done when we compare our costing with various currency rates, both positive and negative scenario. We will do it for you and then we will find out कि भाई मिनिमम में कितना कवर करना चाहिए and मैक्सिमम कितना कवर करना चाहिए. Then again, when you are deciding a costing rate, you take a arbitrary rate कि चलो भाई 75 चल रहा है तो मैं अपना एक्सपोर्ट 74 कर लेता हूँ. 73 चला गया तो मैं अपना कॉस्टिंग रेट 71 कर दूंगा. कभी 1 रुपए का डिफरेंस, कभी 2 रुपए का डिफरेंस, कभी 2.5 रुपए का डिफरेंस, कभी 50 पैसे का डिफरेंस. इट कैन नॉट बी लाइक दिस. यू हैव टू हैव अ फिक्स्ड फॉर्मूला. लाइक you have to earmark, you have to calculate it with some reference rate. It can be a RBI reference rate, it can be a forward rate prevailing on today's date, or it can be a rate linked to RBI reference rate or the forward rate. So you have to decide a formula कि भाई मैं अपना जो कॉस्टिंग है वो RBI रेफरेंस रेट से 1 रुपया ऊपर करूंगा कि 1 रुपया नीचे करूंगा कि अब क्या करूंगा. ये आपको पहले से डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा. ये हर बार चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. देन टारगेट्स ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस. अगर मैं बुक नहीं करूंगा, अपना एक्सपोर्ट खुला रखूंगा या इंपोर्ट खुला रखूंगा, तो अगर मेरे फेवर में गया तो क्या करूंगा, या मेरे अगेंस्ट गया तो क्या करूंगा, या कम से कम कितना कवर करूंगा. तो पहला स्टेप है, यू हैव टू बुक अ मिनिमम परसेंटेज ऑफ योर एक्सपोजर. व्हाट इट विल डू, it will hedge you against absorbing any shocks. एकदम से ऊपर भाग गया, एकदम से नीचे चला गया, then your business will not be impacted by that movement of currency. Then this is also decided कि भाई मेरा कितना पेमेंट टाइम पे आता है, कितना पेमेंट टाइम पे नहीं आता है, कितने टारगेट्स में मेरा ट्रांजेक्शंस में मेरा मार्जिन बहुत फाइन है या कितने ट्रांजेक्शंस में मेरा मार्जिन ज्यादा है. So this all cash analysis, your cash flow analysis, yeah, we will do it and we will decide all this with sitting with you. Then again stop loss कि भाई मैंने अपना एक्सपोर्ट खुला रखा है, इंपोर्ट ओपन रखा है, but what happens if it moves against me? So we will again decide कि अगर अगेंस्ट चला गया तो भी हम कितना, किस लेवल पे क्या बुक करें, एंड हमारा क्या रेशियो रहेगा. अगर 1 रुपए का लॉस है तो कम से कम 2 रुपए का प्रॉफिट होना चाहिए. इसको ध्यान में रखते ही हम आपका रिस्क मैनेजमेंट पॉलिसी फॉर्मुलेट करेंगे. देन टेक प्रॉफिट. अब हमने एक्सपोर्ट खुला छोड़ दिया, ऊपर चला गया, क्या करेंगे, बुक करेंगे, नहीं करेंगे. इंपोर्ट खुला छोड़ दिया, करेंसी नीचे आ गया, हम बुक करेंगे, नहीं करेंगे. ये हम सब कुछ प्री डिसाइडेड रहेगा. So there will be no scope for manual intervention. It will be a system driven thing. There will be an international system monitoring everything. Once we decide कि हमारा क्या लॉस रहेगा, कितना प्रॉफिट रहेगा, we will decide accordingly and our system will give you signals कि भाई इस क्लाइंट का अभी आप एक्सपोर्ट बुक कर लो या इस क्लाइंट का आप इंपोर्ट बुक कर लो. देन कंट्रोल एंड रिपोर्टिंग. सबसे पहले हम करेंगे रिव्यू अपनी रिस्क मैनेजमेंट पॉलिसी हर रेगुलर इंटरवल पे. दूसरा, हम अगेन रिव्यू करेंगे स्टॉप लॉस और टेक प्रॉफिट, ताकि हम गेन और लॉस को, स्ट्रेटेजी को ये कर सकें. देन कौन कौन से नए इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स आ रहे हैं वो सब हम यूज करना शुरू कर देंगे. कभी फॉरवर्ड कवर आता है, कभी ऑप्शन आता है, कभी स्वैप आता है. तो कौन कौन से इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स पॉसिबल हैं वो हम यूज करते रहेंगे. देन जो भी रिपोर्टिंग है उसको हमको टॉप मैनेजमेंट को बताना भी पड़ेगा कि भाई आपका ये रिस्क मैनेजमेंट कहाँ चल रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, आप फायदे में जा रहे हो कि नुकसान में जा रहे हो, ये आपको रिकॉर्डिंग करना पड़ेगा, रिपोर्टिंग करना पड़ेगा। इस तरह से मैं आपको कैसे हेल्प कर सकते हैं? हाउ द एज ए टीम ऑफ प्रशांति फॉरेक्स वी कैन हेल्प यू। Step one is we will do a free risk assessment from our team. So there is no cost attached in the risk assessment which we are going to do for your company. Sorry, if you are an exporter and importer, and if you are a promoter, please contact us and we will do a totally free risk assessment from our professional team, and we will tell you कि भाई आपका कितना रिस्क है, आपका रिस्क है भी कि नहीं है. Once we give you this free risk assessment, what you call report, then if you feel कि हाँ भाई रिस्क मैनेज करना चाहिए, हमको दूसरे को आउटसोर्स कर देना चाहिए ताकि एक प्रोफेशनल टीम मेरा फाइनेंसेस मैनेज करे, then you will give a mandate in favor of us for managing the risk, for managing your finances. Then again we will do a detailed analysis of export and import trades and payment cycle. आपका कितना एक्सपोर्ट है, कितना इंपोर्ट है, कितना टाइम में एक्सपोर्ट आता है, कितना टाइम में इंपोर्ट जाता है, इसका पूरा हम एनालिसिस करेंगे. देन वी विल प्रिपेयर अ प्रॉपर रिस्क मैनेजमेंट पॉलिसी, जो कि आपके टॉप एग्जीक्यूटिव्स के साथ में बैठ के वी विल डिसाइड कि हमारा क्या पॉलिसी रहेगा. फिर जो भी पॉलिसी रहेगा, वी हैव एन इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम, वी विल पुट दैट रिस्क मैनेजमेंट पॉलिसी अंडर योर नेम एंड द सिस्टम विल देन मॉनिटर इट एंड आवर टीम विल बी डूइंग डे टू डे इम्प्लीमेंटेशन. रोज का रोज बैंक से रेट लेना हमारा काम, बैंक से मैनेज करना हमारा काम, बैंक से सैंक्शन लेके आना हमारा काम, आपके लिमिट्स को मॉनिटर करना हमारा काम. सब कुछ हम करेंगे, आपको सिर्फ हमको इंफॉर्मेशन देनी है. सो एंड टू एंड इम्प्लीमेंटेशन विल बी बाय अस, बाय आवर प्रोफेशनल टीम. Then what is the advantage? The advantage is if you are hiring, then you have to pay 1 crore 22 lakhs as I have shown in the previous slides. Now by this your finances will be managed by a team of professionals, a team of chartered accountants, a team of treasury of professionals, a team of CFOs. It is very cost effective. You are managing your finances at 1/10 of the cost of hiring them. Then you are implementing the best international practices in your company. So जो भी international practices latest हैं, they are being implemented by us in your company. Then we will help you in reduce your financed costs and we generate maximum profits. अभी आप बोलोगे सर आपका फीस तो है बहुत ज्यादा, मैं एक साथ पूरा पैसा नहीं दूंगा. So you can also pay in installments. It is not necessary that you pay for entire 1 year. You can pay us on quarterly basis also. And what are our services? First is treasury and risk consultancy, which is being managed by a certified risk professionals, which is having 15 years of experience, and we outsource your currency. We manage your currency risk as well as the interest rate risk. Second service is trade finance, business loans. So you can get business loans from banks, NBFCs. We can get you funding in rupee, we can get you funding in foreign currency, and we can also get you funding from a private equity. Then third service is wealth management. If you want to invest in equity, if you want to invest in mutual fund, if you want to invest in bonds, if you want to invest in alternate investment funds, if you want to trade in currency, if you want to trade in equity, if you want to trade in commodity, everything is under one roof. So we give you all the financial services in one go, and that too being managed by high grade professionals. I myself is a certified treasury professional. I have worked in bank for 10 years, 20 years. Then I have worked in a company for 10 years. Then my partner is ex-CFO of a very big company. He has 20 plus years of experience in the field. He has managed finances of company having portfolio of 6,000 crores. Then our chartered accountant has managed companies which are having a business of around 5,000 crores. So we are all professionals. We will manage your finances very well. Thank you very much. Please contact me at 84528 or go to my site prashantiforex.in. Thank you very much.